hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy.
Mic test.
But I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move.
Everybody, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Wow.
When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll.
Adam B, what is going on? Just here to make some little monies. DYC Dennis. I'm here. Oh.
Regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline.
Justin Wright. I end my green streak and down 700 for the day. Oh no. All right, everybody, welcome back, guys. I mean, what a day, what a day. Wow.
No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into
Today is probably, I think, the least traded day for StockTiger. I think that's what it is. I probably traded just a few accounts and that was it. Did not get a chance. I kind of missed the whole move in the morning, right? I was not there. I was driving and the market ended up getting a big pump and I wasn't there at all. And as when I was kind of ready to trade, the market was kind of choppy. Well, it's not even a chop. It was literally just not moving at all, right? And towards the end of the day, of course, we had a little bit of a dump. I did trade, but I mean, I did not really capitalize on that big move, unfortunately. So my morning was very, very quiet, and at the same time, luckily, obviously, because I did not trade as much, I did not lose any of my accountants, both evals and funded, both. So I'm okay. I mean, I could have maybe capitalized on the big move in the morning, but on a hindsight, I could have also lost as well by trying to short the market. That squeeze was real. Woo! A massive squeeze in the morning, guys. Incredible. So yeah, so that's where we are at for me. And of course, with that in mind, I'm getting further and further away from getting more and more payouts, which isn't good. But at the same time, being able to just hold on to my accounts makes me feel goody, right? So, कैसे भाई किलो 89 यार कैसे I made a smaller request here, another $2,000 of payout on the Apex one, so hopefully that gets approved. Let me share that on Discord. So that's $2,000. I requested right now, and I still have to trade. Yeah, hopefully, you know, hopefully I get a chance to trade more Lucid accounts and maybe try to get a payout, because you got to trade 5 days, right? So where do you live, Kilo 89? I could request another payout with Tradify as well. With Lucid, I don't know, we'll see. I've got to trade for another 5 days, sorry, another 4 days. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Karachi. There we go. Karachi. There we go. Oh, Ghost Tokyo. That's you. Okay, I see. I didn't realize that. All right. Anyways, welcome, Kilo 89. Now I know. A lot of you guys have different names here on YouTube and also on Discord, right? So if you guys don't mind, just let me know who you are on Discord so I can kind of gauge who you are. Gaston in the house, man. Oh yeah, so yeah, like I said again, nothing there for StockTiger today. I mean, today could have been a good day to kind of try to capitalize on the big move. I wish I caught that move to the upside right at the early at the start of the day. I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't do it. I hope some of you caught that move. Did anybody catch that move to the upside today? What is up, man? Mac Love, Dude 45. Oh, you caught part of it? Nice, man. Nice. Well, I did okay. I mean, I didn't lose any accounts. I didn't make any profits. I didn't lose a lot of profits either, so I'm kind of like break even. Did not really get a chance to trade a lot today this morning, so I'm okay where I'm at for now. Sometimes you got to be happy with, you know, with a break even. It was one of those days I was like, today kind of felt like an easy, well, not an easy day, but I mean, I kind of feel like today was a good day to try to bank. I don't know, $400 and $500 on 2 of the events. Wow, events. What does that mean? Events. Nice. I like that. Events. B-Vents. J-Vents. Events. Pippin, that's right. Good to manage the accounts for the long run. Yeah. Yeah, so for me it was pretty much a break-even day. Nothing truly that significant by any means. And I hope all of you had a super duper day. Let's take a look and see what we are at. By the way, guys, we got Take Profit Trader, and this is a continuation of a celebration of our 10,000 subs, and I want to thank you guys once again, obviously, for being here and supporting me, this channel, this stream. Really appreciate it, guys, and I want to give back, right, to the community. And here we are going to be doing a Take Profit Trader 50K account today, right? So let's not forget to smash the like, guys, when you get a chance. Show some love. And let's go ahead and take a look at the payout tab before we get to the start of the Globex, guys. So I did request a payout here, $2,000. We'll see if that gets approved. I don't see a reason why that's not going to get approved. But we get approved. This is my third payout. So getting pretty close to unlimited payouts. And that's what I've been targeting right now. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. And let's take a look and see some other fellow traders, how they've been doing on their journey. We got Grace taking $1,500 through Bulanox. Excellent job there. Yeah, 2 unsubscribers. You know, when we got closer to 10,000 sub, by the way, we were at 9,998. I had couple unsubscribed. So we kind of went down to like 95. So I had to kind of wait a little longer. But anyways, the jokes aside for now. So Grace, $1,500. Excellent job on Bulanox. Bulanox is definitely one of those tougher ones to try to get payouts, but great job. And we've got, wow, look at this, $14,000 for Mr. Arigato. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm gonna call him Arigato. Mr. Arigato taking $14,000. Holy, that's a lot of cash. We got it's Lauren taking 45. What? $45,000 on Alpha. Is that real? Wow, man, incredible. Awesome. That's I can't even do the math. It's too much. It's too much. I don't even know how you do this, but anyways, congrats. It's Lauren. Wow, that's huge. We got Harambe. Harambe taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $10,000 on a flex accounts across all the 10 accounts, guys. 5 accounts, sorry. That's Lucid account, Lucid. $10,000 right there for Mr. Harambe. Congrats, brother. Congrats, man. Good job. Let's see. Scouts are taking $2,000 through Apex. Congrats once again, guys. A lot of you guys are making lots of profits, taking a lot of payouts as well. Let's take a look. We got Ninja of Sadness killing with Apex accounts. There we go, guys. A lot of past accounts. Yeah, by the way, guys, Apex 90% off continues, right? I think they end next week. Early next week is when they end. And this Friday we have what news do we have? We have PCE and GDP. So that's going to be a huge catalyst to move the market. Could be a chance to capitalize on that big move through Apex 90%. Okay. We've got Grace. Another killer day with Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Holy mochaccino. That's a lot of profits there. Woo! Nice. I like that. Good stuff, everybody. Good job. So today's market obviously was pretty on hindsight it's easy, but I mean it was not an easy day in my opinion, right? It was not an easy day. So yeah, we hit the ceiling, we hit a pivot there, kind of got rejection off that 25,100 area. We ended up getting a rejection. I think this is when we got some news. That's the Fed meeting, right? I think that's when the market started to pull back here towards the end of the day, but found a way to get a little bounce towards the midday of the power hour, and a bounce into the close. After hour, got a little pullback, but let's see, guys. I mean, here we are in the Globex. So we got 2 more minutes. I don't know how this is gonna play out, but I'm gonna start the day trading. All right, I'm gonna be trading. How much drawdown do I have on this bad boy? I got 45. So yeah, I'm gonna be trading on my E8 account for today, and then we'll see how this thing plays out, guys. Everybody, welcome and congrats for anybody who did a great job today, this morning, and congrats to everybody who got a big payouts. Let's try to bank here tonight, guys. All right, I am ready now. Paul Verizer, what's going on, brother? They're going nowhere. Meti Shokar, Mugi War, Wisdom Fear in the house, Kuri, Mahdi, Son of Wall Street, EL7, Alex Berlin, RZ, Smith D, thanks for being a member. 7 Warman, thanks for being a member. Sky Blue, thanks for being a member. Did 45, what is going on, man? Sprite, Monkey, Kilo 89, everybody, thank you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, let's slay the market, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading near Globex.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
All right, I'm gonna start the day. Yeah, I went short right now. I went short with one contract, looking to see if we get a little bit of a rejection off this 960 area. 970 is another level, a minor little resistance there, so probably end up scaling in as well. We'll see. Oh, not a bad strong bounce. I need a better mic. I need a better mic. Yeah, I mean, I'll take a look. And yes, guys, 1 second. I'm gonna set up obviously our giveaway. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway is happening right here, right now. You guys can go ahead, type in !Tiger. And at the same time, do not forget to smash the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, we will call out the winner at about 400 likes. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here. Let's try to stay this market, guys. I am down $300 right now as you speak. Not looking good. No bueno. No pasa nada. Pretty strong bounce right off the bat, guys. Pretty strong bounce that we're getting right now. Down about, let's see. Yep, I've got to stop here at 984. I'm winning myself 20 more points. So obviously we have a little bit of a resistance here we want to be looking at. Here we got resistance there. Right, we got here as well. Oh my god, look at this bounce. Let's see how much of a bounce we get here right now. All right. Yeah, I'm trading my eval account. Yeah, that's the E8 eval account that I'm trading right now on a 150k account. Yeah, this account was down to... Yeah, this account was down quite a lot. We found a way to curl it back. Oh, guys, well, look at this squeeze, guys. Do I exit? Well, not...
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order
All right, guys,
working.
I'm gonna have a hard stop here. All right, guys, I may take one off
Order
table
working.
just to downsize my risk on a pullback here, guys. If we end up getting a pullback, that is. It looks pretty strong here. Looks bouncy.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop
Order
here.
working.
Yeah, I'm kind of risking about maybe about $1,000 at this point. A little bit more. Yeah, we could also pierce
Order
through
filled.
this.
Order
Let's see, but
working.
hard stop
Order
there, guys. I
cancelled.
mean, if we pierce through this and I'm out, I think we're trying to get to 25,000. I think this is probably where it's trying to get to. Yeah, it looks squeezy. It could be in a little trouble on this bad boy. Yeah, I'm down 981 here. I think it's trying to, yeah, I think it's trying to go. Yeah, I've got a hard stop there. Well, a little less than 25k. That's where we're at. Let's see if I can take some. Yeah, I think 4 contracts. That's pretty much all I could do. No pullback here at all, guys. No pullback. It looks like we're trying to hold. Let's see. Yeah, I could get squeezed on this bad boy right now. Yeah, we're holding. I mean, this is not looking good. We'll see. Wow, just give you a little pullback here, man. A little pullback. You can't even do a little pullback here. I mean, you have to really just keep holding there. That's incredible. Yeah. No bullback. No bullback. No, this is the eval account. Of course, I wouldn't be doing that on the funded account. This is my E8 account. Yeah, I've had this for about 2 weeks now. I'm like, I've got to get, at some point I've got to finish this thing off. But yeah, what a squeeze here, guys. This almost kind of feels like the morning squeeze that we got, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. Holy
order cancelled.
Man. Yeah, that's a pretty strong bounce. Look at that, guys. Kept going. That's a tough one to call. Yeah, it keeps going, guys. It keeps going. Some things should be there out there. What sort of news do we have right now that's kind of making this market move? I've got $3,200 to draw down.
Order working.
Do we have any news? Trump at a policy meeting right now. I don't know what that means. The Iran thing could be moving stuff. I mean, Iran. I'm hearing some bad news about Iran right now. And then also the Fed meeting minutes that we got wasn't that great. I think there's a lot of mixed bag here. And we're still going here, guys. We're still going. So I'm going to try to...
order working.
So obviously we got some liquidity here that we got to get through. So I'm going to try to... maybe this could be an all-day kind of a bounce, that guys, man. I may... It's kind of a little late for me to hop on a long now, right? Now let me just get out of this.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
I don't know. I definitely wasn't expecting this kind of a pump in the right from the start. And that's easy. That's an easy what again? 80 points pump, guys. Holy mochino. We'll try to get it back. We'll try to get it back. All right, guys, we are getting pretty close to 25,000. That's a big psychological level, right? So let's see how this thing kind of plays out. Oh man, I should have hopped on a long. Too bad. Yeah, I did YOLO. I did YOLO that trade. Yep. Let's take a look at the gold here for a second. Yeah, even the gold had a pretty strong bounce, right? They did not diverge against the overall market today. So we are getting up. What? Where are we at right now? Oh, we're at 49. We're pretty close to 5,000. So I mean, it's kind of weird. NQ getting pretty close to 5. Sorry, 25, and gold trying to get to 5 as well. Let's take a look and see what we have here. Yeah, we had a pretty strong bounce on Nvidia as well, hey, today. Let me just quickly take a look and see my swing trading account. See where it's at right now. Yeah, we had a, man, we just bounced 80 points, and it's like kind of sitting there now. It's not going to give us a chance to even get into any sort of a trade right here, so we may have to just all right, so yeah, my swing trading is back to pretty close to break even. Pretty close to break even. Okay, so yeah, we are getting pretty close to obviously the 25, and that's a key level of resistance, by the way, right? So as you guys can see, we had a resistance there. Yeah, we got here getting pretty close to the supply zone. Now if we pierce through this, I think we have a chance of a bounce back into, I don't know, bounce back for another 50 points from there, right? So I think it's gonna be kind of very important. We may try to pierce through and maybe get a pullback here down into the bottom end of the trend line, and maybe try to get a continuation of a bounce, and then maybe eventually try to retest the New York high that was at 140. Probably end up doing that today as well. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, right? Yeah, Trader Grace, yeah, I know that. Yeah, so the scaling is definitely a big problem. Yeah, that's it is. Thanks for letting me know, though. That's I mean, yeah, the scaling is definitely they'll take it away. The profits that you make through scaling, they're gonna take it away. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, thanks for letting me know, though. Yeah, no, they'll take it away, Grace. But just double check with him, though. Just double check. Oh man, are we gonna actually get a pullback here? Fuck. I should have held on to that trade, I guess. Yeah, I find it difficult to trade at this level now. It's kind of right in the middle, right? So Slow market. Incredible slow market. What a pump right at the start, man. That really did squeeze. Maybe I should have kind of waited. I took my chance though. I did take my chance. Yeah, so you're right in the middle, so it's gonna be hard for me to take on this trade here. Whether it's long or short, I don't know. It's both, just not really kind of making sense. Probably pull back into, man, that's gonna be funny. Pulling back into 950. Yeah, I mean, trading the 300k is really tough, especially with the apex, with trading drawdown, because you got to make you can only do that, you can only trade the 300k if you're trading on CPI, right? It's got to be quick, $25,000 of profits. And that was it. Oh my god, look at that pullback. Because you gotta lose all your profits on your drawdown, right? And your drawdown is maybe about 45 or something like that, or maybe 65. I can't remember exactly. It's been such a long time. I last traded 300k. Probably I would say the 50ks are like a sweet spot for, I guess, majority of the traders. But I mean, some do love trading. I don't even know what this market's trying to do, man. You went short. Overall, still looking bullish, right? The structure bullish. It hasn't changed the fact from a larger time frame. It's still there. We obviously got rejection of that 25-100 area, but yeah, it almost kind of feels like we got rejection of that 25 again. Are we not going to try to pierce through that? Yeah, got a rejection of the 50% retrace, obviously. So that's a 50% retrace. That's where we ended up getting rejection up from, right? That's a resistance there. We also had resistance here as well. And then we have another one that we got rejection of as well right here. So now kind of wonder where it's gonna go. We could end up pulling back here. I think let's I'm gonna try to short on a pop here. Let's see what happens. But it's still very choppy, right? Even though we got a nice little 80 points bounce. Now we're pretty well, pretty much we just gave back about 30 points. Thank you, Adam K3072. Thanks. Thank you, guys. Obviously, without you guys, this would have never been possible. So I thank you guys once again. Let's do a poll on what again? Sorry, man, I missed out on some of the message, I think. What's the... What's the... I remember when you said you were just at 6,000 or something. Oh yeah, Joey Crypto. Yeah, that's right. You have some cuckoo to trade at this tribe. Oh yeah, 100%. Adam, yeah, I trade. I do have. Yeah. I don't like it doesn't. I obviously would not try to do that with funded account, but I mean, I still do that though, time to time. Go short or long. I know I'm status quo right now. Just kind of try to. I'm trying to understand what is going to be trending. So far, we're kind of right at the. We just got a rejection of the 50% retrace. I should have seen that. I didn't check that. Now we are getting a pullback, man. That would have been a decent trade, but I took it off. I mean, all the analysis are all the same. It's like we all are trading off the liquidity, right? Supply and the demand zones, right? And that's the major key levels: minor support, minor resistance, key level, major support, major resistance on a larger time frame. And then you're also using trend lines, right, to increase your probability, right, of you getting into a winning side, right? Use the RSI as well. Use the volume. That's really it. All these levels that I'm drawing right now, we are getting rejections. We are getting a balance of these levels. Not a coincidence. That's it. You know, let's not try to make things very complicated or make it look very fancy. At the end of the day, it's all price to action. With Apex, with Apex you can't trade. You cannot trade a silver and gold. I trade on my phone all day, so.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order working.
What the heck was that?
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled.
All right, I went long, and I'm gonna be scaling into the long position on a pullback here. Where is my tick chart? Right now I'm in a 1 minute chart. Right now I'm in a 1 minute chart. I'm not using the. Well, I could. I mean, it's. I don't know. This chart keeps, changing. I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, this is the tick chart right here, right now. But I don't know, it keeps going back to 1 minute and I keep forgetting to change, so it's kind of weird, really annoying. And it's the same thing with my quant tower. My quant tower keeps I mean, I just save the template, but then it's gone. I don't know why it's doing that all the time. So I kind of refresh. It's just a very standard chart right now. I'm gonna obviously get this changed as well a little later, but I mean, didn't really get a chance to touch this at all because I was trading on my phone, right? So I don't know why it's doing that, to be honest. Yeah, this is the same account I'm trading right now. Yeah, I'm trying to go long. We'll see, guys. Maybe we try to retest to $5,000 and then maybe get a rejection, or maybe we could pierce through that and get a bounce. Honestly, today's price action, I don't know, man. Well, we have to think about certain levels, and I'm kind of watching this level here, for example, and I'm kind of going, okay, well, let me just try to zoom in here. Sorry, zoom out. Right, it's this level here that we have. We had a major level of support right there, right? That was a major level of support, and we had a major resistance there, right? It's the price is reacting at this level, right? And we got the resistance there, right? We had a resistance there as well, pretty close, and then resistance there again. So every time we try to kiss 964, right, we just constantly got rejection. Today we pierced through that today, but obviously at the pivotal point here at 25,114 we got rejection there, right? So there was a quick fake, a push, and then I think we had a Fed minutes. I think that's probably the reason why we ended up getting pulled back. But we also kind of respected the trend line support here, a minor trend line. So I'm kind of thinking, you know, if we end up pulling back here down underneath, I would say, I mean, anything below 900 area would be pretty bearish. And that could be the start of a bigger crack in this market, and we may end up getting a pullback all the way down. And that's going to kind of take us down from here, right? And this could be something like this, a continuation of a further pullback in the market, right? Or I don't know if this is kind of setting up for a bigger massive pullback into tomorrow, or maybe we try to retest this level again, which is the major level here at the 50, right? 25,050 area, and then maybe get a rejection of that right here. Rejection there, and then we kind of pull back, or we just pull back right now. I'm not sure. Either we come up with a triple top maybe and then get a rejection, but once you get above the 150 area, right, that would be somewhere we're a little far off right here. But I mean, if we could get over 150, which is right up here, say in the next few days, then that could be a little bit of a different conversation. This could be grinding higher, right? Eventually find ourselves back into like 400 area, 25,400. So I think we are kind of setting up for some big move. I think the catalyst could be what do you call it again? The catalyst could be the Friday that's PCE, including the GDP. I think that's gonna really move this market either to the downside, to the south, or to the north. One of the two, obviously, but I think that could be the catalyst that's gonna move the market in either direction in a big way. So it's tough. Yeah, Mehdi Nix, yeah. See, I mean, if you log in from another device, it will do that. I'm not sure. Obviously I use my phone to trade a lot in the mornings, but I don't know why this setup keeps changing. I'll figure something out. Hopefully it doesn't do that anymore going forward. All right, so pretty choppy here for now. Pretty choppy.
Order filled.
So I did request $2,000 of payout with Apex right now. And I did have a chance of taking more payout from Lucid too, so we'll keep an eye on that. We still have how many more days to go for the month to be over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 more days. So 7 more days means you still have a chance to get more payouts from Lucid. I also have a chance of getting a little more payouts with Tradify as well. And then maybe some more on Apex. I'm not sure. I did not get a chance to trade the Apex. That's the bigger problem. So we'll see. I do request another 2 grand. So if I get approved on that, that's gonna put me slightly over 10,000 for the month, which obviously is not good compared to the other months that we. So we'll see. If I get approved, that's 10k, and then I may be looking for another. I would say another 4k or 5. So yeah, I'm doubtful that it will be over 20k this month. I'm probably kind of thinking, look at this dumpage, guys. Yeah, probably 14 to 15k at most, which is fine. I tried, right? Let's try to have a stronger month of March. Yeah, I tried, man. I really tried, but I mean, but at the same time, I did not rush into, you know, trying to make something great. I didn't try to do that. So if I think about it, the way I traded last couple, let's say the last week, or say the last 10 days, I've really taken things really slow, right? So there are days where I haven't even traded like a few times, and that's it. Yeah, and then of course I did trade some evals a little more aggressively as well. But I mean, other than that, especially on the funded accounts, I did not really touch as much. So we'll see. I would probably target about 15k, which is way below my personal goal that I had. Obviously, my personal goal was at 28, but it's gonna be like 50% of that only. So, which is fine. We'll try to make it up in the month of March. So guys, we are getting a little pullback here, man. That's wow. We are getting a pullback here. That's that could be a triple top right there, guys. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I'm on the right side. This is looking a little weak, but we'll see, guys. I'm still holding this. I'm still holding this. Yeah, probably into, I would say 950. and probably end up exiting this trade.
Order cancelled.
Around 940 area, guys. I think some of you actually ended up shorting this market, right? Oh, Nishi, you passed your 150k take profit trader yesterday. Nice, man. Any tips to have this account for the long term? If you want to have for long term, then you gotta really have to downsize. I think, you know, trade with 3 or 4 micros and keep grinding every single day, and try to build an account. But if you try to go with 1 or 2 mini contracts, you could end up getting into a wrong trade, just like the way it happened this morning, which was pretty aggressive. A sell off, a bounce and a sell off. It was a massive, obviously massive day today. So we had how many points? We had 500 points bounce in this market today. So with 1 minute contracts and you're on the wrong side of your trade, you're gonna end up getting caught in a big way. You end up blowing your account because it's trailing drawdown, by the way, right? So you gotta keep an eye on that. Yeah, Justin, right. Trade small, exactly. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Trade small sometimes can be painful because you know, the smaller size you trade, your chance of getting to payout may be longer, right? And I understand that, but that's the way it is sometimes, you know. You want to hold on to your account for longer. So ultimately, you gotta really try to downsize your position and try to get into more winning trades, so you could actually end up getting more payouts frequently, if you will. But I mean, you can ask my fellow traders here in the house. Everybody does. We got a lot of great traders here in the house, man. They can help you out for sure. Don't trade at all is the way. Yeah. Yeah, no, don't trade at all. You don't lose accounts and you don't get payout at all too. Oh my god, yeah. So I don't know if you guys heard me say, did I tell you a friend of mine who was down about 37,000? So he ended up blowing his personal live account. He ended up blowing. I think it was down about $55,000 by the time it ended up blowing. He had some money on that account, but I mean, at the end of the day, that account had to be refilled. I mean, replenished, right? So he did that. He took another. He bought another 50K. Sorry, 50K means his personal live account. He transferred $50,000 into his live account, and I noticed he's been trading in the last few days. But it's a tough. You know, when you're like deep underwater, it's really hard to come back, right? You know what I mean? Because you want your money back. You know, that's just the nature. You know what I mean? Just like the way we trade on our PROPFIRM accounts. You lose one of your funded accounts, you're kind of like, okay, well, I want my funded accounts back, yo. I want it back right now. I want it back right now. Who's got the best deal out there? Listed trader, 40%. Apex, 90% off. All right, baby, let's go. Bring it on. Yeah. No, he doesn't stream. No, he doesn't stream. But he watches me though sometimes. I told him to kind of watch me every single day, but he's like, yeah, screw you and your stream. Okay, well, all right. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. I can help you. Well, you're very late, CG36. Very late to the party. Oh, Bowser trades. Tiger, you had to go back to work trading. Full time, too much stress. Oh, Bowser, you're back to... are you working now? Is that what it is you're saying? So you used to be a full-time trader and now you're back to working? Is that what it is? Oh, Bowser. Okay, I see. Hey, I mean, it's not a bad thing. I think it's perfectly fine. I mean, I'm thinking about doing Uber a little late night. I'm thinking of doing Uber, and I'm also thinking about doing Skip the Dish as well. And not because I need cash, but because you know, I want to be a little more active, right? So I'm thinking about it. I may not be able to do both, but I may probably end up doing the Skip the Dish. And it's nothing wrong. You're 48, also retired, and just doing. Oh, I see. It's not about the small amount of money you make doing Uber. It's not like that. We gotta start to change our mentality, right? You see, you have to kind of understand the value in your trading, right? The money that you make on trading, you know, because we don't see it in real life. Like, we lose a couple $1,000 and you're kind of, okay, well, you know, $10, $20, you gotta respect it. You know, we gotta value $1, $2, $3, $10, $50. When is the last time I actually touched cash? It's I can't remember at all. I can't remember at all, guys, man.
Order filled.
Look, I'm down $1,300. Obviously, it's an eval account, but I mean, even then, I feel nothing. You know what I mean? $1,300. It's actually big. Instacarts keep me busy. Nice. Really? You can actually make money on the Instacart. Really? $700. Nice, man. $700 a week? Really? That's a pretty good deal. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Nobody has cash yet. Yeah, I agree. Ooh, that's a lot. 1120 best week. Yeah, I ain't no Lamborghini, yo. I ain't no Lamborghini. Yeah, $400 a night. That's pretty good. Is that in States or in Canada? Donna Andre. You drove 8 hours for Uber once and made $100. You made $100? Yeah, it depends on what. I mean, obviously it depends, right? If you're fairly new, then it's gonna be hard to make. Oh, Missouri. Okay. Tori Trade's got her new Ferrari. Well, sounds good. Tori Trade's got a new Ferrari, man. That's great, man. That's great. Good for her, man. She must be making tons from trading. Tori last year made 200K. All the affiliates money. Yeah. Yeah, I've got a long ways to go, man. Yeah. She made $200,000 last year. You got to think about how much she's actually end up spending on that $200,000, right? You got to pay for tax. You got to pay tax, and on top of that, you got to spend as well. So you don't really end up saving anything with that $200,000, right? If you're probably if you make over if you make anything over 200K, you're kind of like in the highest bracket level, right? At least in Canada, so you're literally paying about 35 to 50% just in tax alone. Well, it depends. Yeah, if you got a company, then yeah, you have a chance of deducting a whole bunch of expenses too. She bought her penthouse condo. Holy mochaccino. Even if you get there, the Ferrari is not. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't want to. I don't know. I'm not a big car guy, so. Oh yeah. Okay, she's single. Well, yeah, that's a different conversation. Yeah, if you have a family with the kids and stuff, and you're looking to have a decent quality of life, then yeah, that's that $200,000 does not really get you much. Yeah. Anyways, guys, back to trading. Forget about Corey and forget about Tori and forget about Puri. I've got to go to the washer. I'll be right back, guys. Holy mochaccino. All right, I'm back, and the market's getting a pullback here. Incredible mochaccino. So nothing there as much at the moment. Yeah, I'm down about 1,200 on the E8 account. You got a new Apex account last week and do not know how to hook up to TradingView. If you want to hook up to the TradingView, you should have bought. Okay, you bought it through the Tradovate. It does work. Just check with ChatGPT. It's gonna help you out easily. Yeah, it's not really yeah, it's not complicated. I think you should be able to get through that for sure. Like, it's TradingView, you got to go through the panels here, right? So I think it's what again? I can't remember exactly what it is. Oh, I can't remember here. Anyways, guys, where am I at right now? There we go. Guys, man, is this going to be a triple top here and maybe a slice down? Or are we going to try to get a bounce today? You're going to have some coffee? Not an espresso. Oh, yeah. Casino. Yeah, just make sure the coffee that you have, it makes you feel good. All right, make you feel good. I like that, brother. I like that. Oh man, look at this, guys. We're gonna get a little pullback here. Yes, you gotta select your broker. That's gonna be Tradovate, and then use your username and the password to hook it up. Should be fine. Margarita. All right, guys, we got a little pullback here, man. Not looking that great. I hope this is not going to be a dumpage. Yeah, it pissed me off, man. I kind of got shaken out on that bullish move, man. That was definitely a very bullish tone there. You get straight back up like that. I mean, 80 points. I'm like, I'm freaking out. I'm out of this trade. And next thing you know, it ends up pulling back all the way down. Holy mochaccino, man. Really annoying. Yeah, this market is definitely very annoying. So let's see, guys, we get a little bounce. I mean, I kind of suspect that we got a little bit of a the EMA support here at 966, but then I think we probably yeah, 960 area. That's probably my last lever resort. I will exit my trade if we end up getting pulled back into the 950s. Underneath that, probably exit this trade. What account? I'm trading E8. E8 is a firm, so I'm trading E8 account. Unfortunately, I'm down right now, so not a happy camper, but we'll try to grind back higher again. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you guys truly want to support the stream. And I will call out the winner. If you guys type in !Tiger to participate on this giveaway, you can also smash the like at the same time to support the stream. And also, I will be calling out a winner at about 400 likes today. So let's take a look and see how much of a ticket we have here at this point. All right, we got about 150 tickets. Oh, 250 tickets. All right, getting pretty close. It's fine. Lots of participants. If we hit another milestone today, we could do another one. I'm not sure. We'll find out. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get there, but I mean, yeah, baby, let's go. Oh. Yeah, I had a I mean, I did not have anything going today, so no, you know, I missed the whole move in the morning. That move, I missed the whole move this morning, and that was it. And I tried to trade when the market kind of started to chop around, and I did not get anything. Obviously, you guys know. And then towards the end, when I kind of gave up, I said, okay, I'm not gonna be trading this anymore. The market ended up dumping. Let's take a look at the gold here, guys. Man, the gold is looking like it wants to pull back. Not that NQ is looking any better, but God, man, this price action, guys, is really horrific. Really kind of annoying. The hell out of StockTiger, but yeah, we'll see. We may end up getting a dumpage. We could, yeah, we could definitely get a little dumpage here. We'll find out. We'll find out, everybody. We will find out if this is. I took it off. I took the chart. Okay, so I took the table off because I wanted to use this banner that I have right now. $10,000, not $10,000 sub. We've been trading for too long now. We're like $10,000 sub. 10,000 subscribers. I wanted to have that banner on there for a little longer. So that what do you call this? That little screenshot that I have on my account and all that. It's I wanted to take it off until I actually get this thing off, right? So yeah, am I on track? Absolutely not. I'm not on track at all. I'm down quite a lot, right? So what was it again? So my personal goal was about 28,000. My personal goal was about $28,000 for the month of Feb, but right now I'm kind of sitting at, hold on one second, guys. I may have that here with me. I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm kind of sitting at 8,400. So I may be at $15,000 by the time it's all said and done, before the end of the month, right? So that's only half, right? 50% achievement rate. So not a great month, of course, but I'll take it. I've been taking things really slow and not really rushing into getting a bigger payout, right? So it's okay. I mean, I'm gonna try to round the number at the end of the first quarter, right? So I hit over 30K on the month of January. So let's say if I end up with 15K for the month of February, we will be at 45K for the year. And then if March, if I can get I don't know, man, if I can get to say 40K, that's gonna put me over 80,000 for the first quarter, which is going to be fantastic, right? So we'll keep an eye. We'll take things a little slow. We'll be a little patient, right? February is definitely not the kind of a month for StockTiger. So I'm not gonna try to I'm not gonna try to be a hero in the month of February, but I will definitely be looking forward to the March, right? The March is definitely going to be that month that I'm gonna try my level best to do well. So we'll see how things play out. For now, we are in a survival mode for StockTiger for the month of February. So yeah, we got some bigger goals for this year, right? So we got some bigger goals. If we can get to 80,000 every quarter, right? 80,000 times 4, we got 4 quarters, right? So 80,000. So that's gonna put me at 320,000, right, for the entire year. So that's the goal right now, to see if we can actually get to 80,000. So far it looks a little tough, but we'll give it a shot. at least the worst case scenario, I want to make sure I'm kind of like status quo versus last year. So I mean, you're not gonna keep growing every year. You know, it's gonna be, you're gonna have a lot of like, you know, what do you call this? You're gonna go through a lot of bumps, right? Either you get banned through certain firms, you know, or you may go through situations every year. I go through like situations like a couple times, right? Like last year I got banned from one of the firm. I had issues with the YouTube, you know. I had a lot of other personal issues that I had to go through. Even then, you know, we came out strong, and I'm kind of expecting the same thing this year, right? We're gonna go through a lot of bumps, but are we able to fight back and come back stronger? That's the question we gotta ask ourselves, right? And I will be doing the same thing. So all right, guys, are we getting a pullback here? What now? Oh my god, this price action is really annoying.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Yeah, this is not looking good, guys, man. This is not looking good. All right, so anyways, I'd like to see this thing hold here, right? I like to see this thing hold, but the kind of a price action that we're getting here, not looking that great. But anyways, yeah, I'm down a lot right now. I'm down about 14. I'm trying to curl it back, but I don't want to add right here, because this could, yeah, I don't want to add right here. If I end up getting stopped out, I'll probably end up just getting
order working
out of this trade.
Order working. Order working.
We'll just leave it at that for now. Hopefully I survive. Hopefully I survive. Yeah, look at that dumpage, guys, man. 958.
Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
All right, guys, I've added 10 contracts now.
Order working. Order cancelled.
Yeah, I'll have a hard stop here right at 950, guys. 950, my hard stop. I could easily get stopped out right there. We'll see. And by the way, guys, sorry if I'm missing out on the chat, right? So if you got something directed to me, just let me know. Just type it again, and I'll definitely respond back to the question, right? My apologies, everybody, if I've missed out any of your questions or anything that's directed to ST Tiger. You're short at 72. Nice, man. Whoa, you now, wow. That's a pretty good shorting trade. Well, let's see, guys. Do we get a bounce off this level, or do we get a nasty pullback? If you could go back into the VWAP, yeah, I have a little chance on this trade, but if not, then I think I will be in a little trouble. Verlis Terro. What is your favorite mochaccino? My favorite mochaccino is cappuccino. Is it worth getting funded if you are only able to trade Asia session because of classes? Is it worth getting funded if you're only trading? I mean, you're not in a class all day, right? You definitely would have time to trade during the day. Or are you still in high school? Is that what it is? I'm not sure. If you're in high school, then maybe that's a little bit of a different conversation, but you only long if we break 25. Yeah, that's right. I mean, I went along a little early. I'm a little bit early to the party. I did average out. I added some 4 more. So I've got 10 contracts now, 10 micro contracts. I'm looking for a little bounce. If we don't end up getting a bounce, if we end up getting a pullback here and hit that initial low, then I will be in trouble. And if I get stopped out, you guys are never gonna hear from StockTiger ever again. Goodbye. Shalom. Watch the charts while at school. Watch the chart at school. Did you let me know if you're in high school or? I'm graduating next month. Well, I'm graduating this year. I'm turning 18, right? So I'm in grade 11 now, and I'm still trading all morning, right? So I have no problem doing that. Dip 45 is long with 20 MES. Holy mochaccino, bum bum ba mocha mocha mocha. That's a little bit of a tension, pressure. You're in a high school right now? My dear bro, man, that's awesome. I wish I was 17. Well, what the heck did I just say right now? What the hell did I just say? I didn't say anything. Let's scrap what I just said. I'm 17 and a half. That's what I meant. Not 17. 17 and a half. I wish I was a little younger. Just like the way you are, right? It's great because imagine you're in a trading journey right from at the age of 15 or 16, right? That would have been awesome. Guys, what the heck is this, man? What the heck is this market trying to do? Really annoying the hell out of me right now, guys. I think I may end up getting stopped out on this bad boy. I'm trying my level best to hold on to it like, oh, you know, like hanging man. But I don't know for how long I can survive this trade. We'll see, guys. I may get a little lucky. While I have a little conversation with my fellow traders, maybe I get a little lucky. I'm not looking at the chart right now. I'm looking at the chat, so... Do you have a wife or children? So, well, if you don't have a wife, then you don't have a children, right? So, let's start off with the wife. Yes, I do. I'm 17 and a half, right? And that's what I was saying. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be a better trader in 20 years, right? So 20 years from today, do the math, 20 plus 17. 37 and a half, right? So I'll definitely be a better trader then. That's still very young though at 37, right? Nice. $63. I think that's pretty good, bro. Don't you ever lie to me. You're not turning 13, okay? Yeah, I wish I was slightly younger though. Honestly, it would have been so much easier. It's never too late though. It's never too late, but I'm just saying. It's always better if you're younger and you've been you started day trading at the early age. Yeah. Oh man, I'm getting stopped out right here, guys. I'm getting stopped out, man. Holy mochaccino. Maybe I'm gonna move my stop here, guys. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Man, what the? Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Annoying as hell, guys. Annoying. This almost kind of looks like this morning action. Big pump, and then that kind of faded down. Oh, what a chop fest here. Yeah, it's the camera. I look younger. It's the camera. I am younger. Yeah, I'm getting tired of this price action, to be honest. I'll be very honest right now. I'm getting a little annoyed at the Globex Asia's price action too. Trading will make your age quicker. Yeah, pulverizer. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding. That's right. I mean, I agree. But it really depends, right? It really depends. If man, look at this price action, guys, man. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second. Oh, me, I missed. I did not even miss. I wasn't even near the pump we had this morning. Yeah. Aisha, Aisha, écoutez-moi. Aisha, Aisha. Yeah, now it's kind of choppy. I mean, this almost really kind of feels like this morning price action. Like right at the start, we had a big pump right at the start, and then all of a sudden, Where's that price action this morning, guys? And let's just take a look at this this morning. Where's the pump? No, this is not right. Oh, this is 200 tick chart here. Let's take a look from here. Where's the pump we got today? Oh, I'm looking at the silver. What the heck am I? Why am I looking at the silver chart? All right, this is what we got today. This is what we had today. This almost kind of really feels like today, right? Obviously, according to Globex standard, but right, this almost kind of feels like the same. And then, did it mess with your psychology when you were banned for the PROPFIRM? No, it did not. It did not affect me. Obviously, it doesn't affect you, right? It doesn't affect you. I mean, it depends on who you are, but I mean, for me, it did not really affect me. But I mean, the fact that I had to find something else, right, to coop, you know, the payouts that I actually got from that firm. I had to find it somewhere else. You know what I mean? So that kind of affects you negatively from a payout standpoint, right? Ultimately, it kind of affects you slightly in a way, but I mean, mentally or psychology standpoint, it did not really affect me at all. It's just that, well, your payouts, you know, you're putting yourself into a little bit of a pressure to find that payout from somewhere else, and that was it. You know, that's pretty much what the problem was. So this is the thing, right? We got a nice little bounce here, and the same thing here right now, and then we ended up getting a pullback all throughout the rest of the night. This is exactly what we had today, and it really feels the same compared to what we had this morning, right? So obviously a big gap, big difference from the bounce that we had this morning, but I mean, kind of a similar pattern. So you get banned if you get a lot of payouts. Apex approve you pretty quickly, probably in a day, right? So probably, unless your accounts has got some problems. If without problems, I think it's probably gonna take you a day now, maybe a little longer. I'm not sure. I mean, I give a take average for me. I think it's in a lot of cases it took me a day. You don't have to have a hard stop. You can have a mental stop. That's fine. No problem with that. Yeah, that's a problem. You can have a mental stop. That's absolutely no problem. I think it depends, right? If your account's got a little more, you know, little more complications related to, say, account, like your contract size or say consistency problems and all that. I mean, yeah, it takes slightly longer, I guess, but I mean, in a lot of cases, straightforward accounts, you know, if you've taken $500 every single day for another 8 days and you're requesting a simple payout, I think that gets approved pretty quickly, probably in a given day. In a day, maybe. Apex worth it, or just go with illicit? I mean, if you are experienced trader and if you feel comfortable trading a lot more accounts, then yes, I think illicit plus Apex is probably the way to go. But again, you know, if you are fairly new or if you kind of feel more comfortable trading off just a couple accounts at a time, then I will probably end up just using one firm. And of course, that firm's got to be the firm that you like their rules, or you feel a lot more comfortable with their rules. You know what I mean? Not every trader is gonna like Lucid. Not everyone is gonna like Apex, even though Apex paid the most compared to everybody else. Not everyone's gonna love Apex, right? We got you know, we got haters too. I mean, and nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong. Everyone's gonna have opinions. Everybody's gonna have their you know, what they think, right? So we gotta respect. Don't worry, Soju, you're never gonna get banned, so you don't have to worry about it. Yeah. I started off the trading PROPFIRM futures with MES, right? That's where I actually started. I started off with the MES and I moved to ES and then I moved to MNQ and then I moved to NQ. And then now I'm trading MNQ and NQ at the same time, but yeah. At the end of the day, if you're on the right side of the trade, ES or NQ, it's really not gonna matter, right? Oh, guys, man, look at this dumpage. What the heck is going on in this market, guys? Yeah, I'm definitely not trading silver at all. Yeah, silver is definitely not in my dictionary anymore. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna try to hop on a long here. Let's see what happens now.
Order
I'll have a hard
working.
stop though, right at the break even. So not at the break even, sorry, I lied. I mean initial low. I'm gonna try to use this. Sorry, what am I doing right now? I'll have a hard stop here at 921. So we definitely do have a little bit of a support, right? This is the swing low here. This could be a little bit of a double bottom. We'll find out. We had a nice little blow off top at 25, a little less than $25,000. That's a big psychological level. And now we're gonna have a blow off bottom. I don't know, man. We could pierce through this and really have a big crack here, man. If we if we can't hold this, I think we have a big problem, guys. I mean, it doesn't look like this market wants to hold, man. What the heck? Hold on, guys. I think I'm not in the right side. I don't think I'm on the right side, to be honest, man. I don't think I'm on the right side. I kind of deserve. I kind of deserve being down on this. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade. It doesn't look good at all, man. This looks like it's just gonna dump all the way down. Yeah, I got rid of my trade. Yeah, fuck this. Yeah, I'm I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh, StockTiger! Aisha, écoutez-moi. I'm just buying the dip here, and the market is just finding a reason to just pull back all the way down, guys. It's a trending down today all day. Yeah, if you guys showed it this market on a pop, man, this is definitely the day to do it. If you got the pop, that's the day. Thank God I was trading this bad boy here. I'm still up, but I feel a lot better. Do you speak French? I don't. Salut, ça va? Salut, oui, ça va. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle StockTiger. I did learn French before, but not as good though. Not as good. Well, not as good. I mean, I like, yeah, I'm probably beginner. I'm a lot better speaker in Arabic and Hindi. Where's my Hindi fellow traders from India, from Karachi? Where the heck are you guys? Where the heck are you guys at right now? Guys, no, we are getting a dumpage. Holy mochino. Yeah, मैं हिंदी तो आता रहा मालूम है. Man, we just cracked underneath a very important level now. I think this could... Oh, man. What the hell is this, guys? Are we just gonna pull back into the low of the New York low here? That's 860. That's gonna be huge, guys, man. If we end up pulling back here all the way down to 860, it almost kind of feels like this market wants to get it down there. God, I hate myself, man. If I held on to that trade, this would have been a golden one. Incredible. I've been just literally getting chopped all the way. Now we're gonna get a bounce if I try to short this bad boy. I am gonna try to short this on a pop, guys. Just wait. Maybe a pop back into, I would say, 940. I'll try to short this bad boy. God, very annoying, but it's okay, guys. Thank God I've been trading the, I would say, the non-important account. Feels better. Guys, don't forget to smash the like. It's Chris want to support the stream. What's wartime you talking about? Is there going to be a war? I don't think so. I mean, I know that there the tension in the Middle East kind of spiking up right now, but I don't know. You know what I mean? It's getting worse. That's what I heard, but I mean, guys, man, I thank you guys obviously for being here every single night, man. Honestly, I mean, I've not been that great as far as the trading is concerned, and yet I've been getting a lot of great support from you guys, man. You know, and it's great. It's great, you know. So much love from my fellow traders, and we're in this together, right? So we all, you know, at different stages in our trading journey, but we're all trying to grow. We all trying to evolve and trying to get better at our trading, all of us. So, and I'm learning from a lot of you guys as well. You know, I'm learning from you guys. You know, all the great traders on our Discord, by the way. All the comments and all the things you guys talk about on Discord, these all helps. If it's helping me, I'm pretty sure it's helping a lot of fellow traders out there, right? So yeah, I'm not afraid to be on a losing trade just because I'm on stream. It doesn't matter. That doesn't matter to me. I mean, I lose, you know. If I win, I win, and I get payouts. No, I'm not in a position, guys. I did say though, I'm gonna short this market on a bounce into the 940. Somebody mentioned that you are gonna go long if we get a bounce back into the 940s. I don't know. Somebody mentioned they're gonna go long if we get back into the 940, and I was like, okay, well, maybe I should not short this market. I kind of got a little a bit of a hesitation, if you will. I'm pretty well, other than this month. I'm pretty consistent, I would say. You know, I've been grinding. Obviously there's a lot of pressure to get payouts, don't get me wrong, but I mean, that's what it's all about. You know, we gotta keep finding, we gotta keep fighting, right? We gotta keep fighting, and we have to you know, keep coming up with a plan on how you're gonna get payouts, you know what I mean? Trading is one, but you know, it's what account you're gonna get, what account size, how you gonna play the game, you know what I mean? how many funded accounts you want to get to, and how much of a buffer you intend to get bigger payouts. What's the strategy? Are you gonna try to get to 10 funded accounts, and are you gonna try to blow 8 to get big massive payouts on the other 2 funded accounts that you have remaining? You know what I mean? So this kind of a game plan. And of course, on top of that, you gotta do well in your trading too, right? So because if you can't trade well, then all of these plans will not work out. So of course, first thing first, you gotta do well in your trading, number 1, and then you're gonna have to come out with a plan, right? Anyways, what am I saying? Are we gonna get a pullback here, guys? I'm gonna try to. Oh man. All right, guys.
Order working.
Ah, no. I almost got filled. My intention was to. Oh god, I have a feeling this is gonna get a bounce, guys. I'm gonna try to short this on a bounce back into 940. No, I'm trying to short this right now. I'm trying to short this bad boy, man. I am absolutely mad. StockTiger is mad. If this gets back into the VWAP, I'm gonna have to find something to break, man. What is it gonna be? Something cheap. All my monitors are pretty expensive, so I can't beat up any of those. Yeah. What is it gonna be, guys? Oh man, look at that bounce, guys. 934, man. We're getting pretty close now. All right, we'll find out. We'll find out, everybody. Am I gonna be in trouble? Am I? Don't be mad. Oh, Trader Grace. Yeah, I'm not mad. I'm just having fun here. Pull your hair. I'm starting to lose a lot of hair, by the way, man. I better be careful. I don't want to pull my hair now. It's I'm losing on its own. Yeah, when you start to get old, that's what happens, right? Well, I'm only 17, so you become aging. It's like aging stock. Aging stock. Yeah, I'm losing hair, man. Shit, I'm getting really mad.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I got filled. Oh my god, guys, I got filled. I'm in trouble now. Well, Asians don't lose hair. Where did you get that from? We lose a lot of hair. You see Dude 45 from our Discord? I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. Guys, wait 1 second. I've gotta have a hard start, right?
Order
just in
working.
case. I may be in trouble on this bad boy. Dude 45, where's Dude 45? Look, see? Dude 45, look at his hair. See? He doesn't have a hair. What are you talking about, man? He's definitely Asian. At least from what I see. No hair on the front, guys. See, we lose a lot of hair. Right? I don't need to do 45 this year, but I mean... That's... Oh, guys, man, I'm getting stopped out on this bad boy right now. But I better stop trading this account, man. I don't want to end up blowing this bad boy. I've only got $2,600 drawdown. Oh my god. Is this going to be a bounce now? We may be pretty close to blowing this bad boy right now. Oh my mochaccino. This could be a little bit of a... Oh man, these drawings are horrible in Tradovate. I'm trying to draw... I'm trying to get through a trend line. I just can't do that with this Tradovate. It's hard sometimes. All right, I may get stopped out on this. I'm really getting annoyed. All right, let's put a little hard stop here. Give myself a little bit more room just in case. Yeah, I almost kind of feels like we're gonna get a little squeezy move here. Really gonna get annoying. StockTiger is getting a little annoyed, getting played. You know what? Maybe it's a good thing I'm getting played right now during Globex ASIA, so I can be kind of better prepared for tomorrow. On obviously a gallons, that's truly that important. That guy has a Kavorka with the hair. Kavorka. $20, you don't get stopped. Kavorka, yeah. Aisha, Aisha, écoutez-moi. Dans un rien de sera. Guys, man, somebody bring this market down, and I'm getting really annoyed. Johnny, Johnny Joker, Divana. Aisha, Aisha. Uh-oh, somebody's on full tilt. I heard somebody say last time he's on full tilt, and I asked how many contracts. He said, I'm with 3 micro contracts. I'm like, you've got to be kidding, yo. You call that a full tilt? You should have seen StockTiger go full tilt with 10 mini contracts. Holy mochaccino. There were days I used to be like 100 micro, and I try to do more, but that was the max size I could get to. 100 micros. I think it was last year. I think that was what it is. Last year, was it? I mean, I kind of stopped doing that, but I mean, micro, yeah, 100 micros, man. That's a lot. $100 micro celebration. Yeah, I don't trade my funded futures anymore. Maybe it's a good thing. I'm gonna try alpha futures. I want to trade alpha futures, but this guy's what's the price on them? I checked the other day, but they're I'm trying to trade alpha as well myself, of course. I mean, but I'm just not what was the price on those bad boys, man? Can you actually trade on Project X still? I don't think so. Hold on one second, guys. I think there was a reason I did not trade alpha. Yeah, so hold on one second, guys. Yeah, I literally got screwed by 2 firms, right? I'm not gonna call out the name, but I got absolutely poo-pooed by 2 firms. Very unfortunate, guys. One was the most recent one, and the other was last year. I think last year in the month of, I think that was in the month of July or August. I think that's what it is. So, well, it is what it is, and that's what I'm saying, right? In our trading journey, we're gonna go through situations, and if you think you're never gonna get through that, it's a mistake. You just gotta be better prepared to kind of overcome those difficult challenges that whatever you guys gotta go through over the months. Watch Discord. Why? What happened? Whoa! What is all this? Is this on the main chat? Oh, by the way, guys, my Discord link is here. I think you guys are asking me. My Discord link is there, guys. You guys want to hang out with one of the finest, humble Discord? You guys are most welcome to do that. Thank you, guys. What is it? I don't see anything. What is all this PNL, guys? What the hell are you guys doing? Are you guys fading StockTiger? Because I've been down all night today, so I'm kind of assuming that you faded me, right? Harambe, Nika, everybody's just killing this market. Grace, holy mochaccino, look at that, huge. Whoa, wow. Whoa, guys, hey, this is not fair, man. You can't be doing that to me. You can't be doing that to StockTiger, yo. That's not right. Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. Holy. This is my trading today. This is what happened tonight, guys. I actually got a little scared, by the way. I mean, I thank you for doing that, but I mean, I got a little nervous and scared looking at this picture. Holy mochaccino. Yeah, that was a little scary, but oh, by the way, where's my trade? Let's take a look at my trade, guys. I maybe oh, okay, I'm still alive, guys. I thought we were gonna get a squeeze bounce, but I'm still alive in this trade. 944. I'm okay. I'm okay. I thought my stop's gonna get blown, but I'm still here, guys. I'm still here, alive and well. So we'll see now. Let's see, get a little pullback here down. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. After seeing that picture, I'm like, okay, well, I'm not gonna get into any trades right now. Getting freaked out. Yeah, it's Tiger Lion. Tiger Lion. Tiger Lion. Yeah, Nat's gonna pull back because StockTiger's out. Great, StockTiger. You are freaking awesome. I love you today. I love everything that you did today, StockTiger. You had to get out. What a perfect timing, guys. Yeah, the apex, yeah, it's still there. So 71,000, right? So I'm kind of waiting for payout approval. I had to grind it back again, right? So I was down couple, I think I was down about well, no, 2 days ago I was, well, 3 days ago I was down about $1,200, and 2 days ago I was down about $800, and yesterday I found a way to make it back about a few $100, I think $220, right? And so I was able to request the payout today, and you guys can see that on the payout tab. And so we'll see. Once I get approved on that, it's going to get to the fourth payout. And once we get to the fourth payout, I'm really trying to grind to see if I can actually get to what is it called again? Unlimited payout, right? You've got to get to the unlimited payout, man. This is the only good thing I have right now. Nothing else, to be honest. Nothing else is kind of working out. So this is the only thing I have. So let's see if I can actually survive this. Through this a bit of a stormy trading journey so far. Maybe I can make a little comeback and see what happens. Maybe have a strong month of March. I don't know, man. So far I'm grinding. So far I was down on like I had a red days on that account 3 times this month. I don't know. You get into a wrong trade, suddenly you're down about $1,000 easily with 1 mini contract in this sort of a market. This market has been tough. I mean, it's tough not because there's only so much you can actually hold on to your trades with 1 mini contracts, and pretty much, I guess, you know, let's just be very honest. But I mean, as much as I keep saying I want to get to 3 micro contracts at all times, at least most parts, you know, I break that. You know, I get into a lot of trades with 1 mini contracts, and you know, you're in a 1 mini contract and you get on the wrong side and the market fakes you out, you're gonna be down like $1,000 easily in a matter of a second. And next thing you know, you're already down about $1,400. And if you keep holding that bag, you're down about a couple thousand. You know what I mean? So luckily, I found a way to exit my trades while I'm negative, of course. So I was down like a couple days in red, but the red was like, you know, $1,100, $800, right? So I was able to kind of sustain that account, but I've got to be careful, right? I still have to trade for another 30 days to get to the unlimited payout, and maybe if I have a 1 or 2 good days, that could kind of get me to maybe $3,000-$4,000 of profit on it. Or even if I make $500 every single day from here for another 30 days, give or take, that's still a lot of money, right? $500 times, let's say for 15 days, that's like $7,500, right? So I could get to a point where I can take maybe you know, 20,000 on that single account. We'll see. You know, we'll see. You know, but it's been a tough journey, right? So I've got to be extra cautious, right? Because when you're not doing well, and when you get into some bad trades, you're gonna end up blowing it. And it really doesn't matter if you have like $20,000 of profit on any of your accounts. You could easily end up blowing your account because you're gonna keep adding and adding and adding, and by the time it's said and done, you may be up to 6 mini contracts. A 6 mini contract, and you're like, oh, I'm down $10,000, and then you keep going, okay, well, all right, what's the worst it's gonna get? And then you're down to $14,000 negative, and the next thing you know, you've only got like few thousand dollars of drawdown on that $20,000 account, and then you end up blowing because you're so absolutely pissed. So that's what it's gonna be. So I just want to make sure I don't tilt on that account and see if I can actually get to potentially 20k payout on the single account and keep building buffer. I haven't been able to trade in the last 1 week, I think, including today. Today I didn't trade like 10 accounts on my Apex. So yeah, man, I've not been able to trade on a lot of my accounts. I don't know, I'm just not getting a chance because you know, you miss that big move in the morning, and then the rest of the day it's kind of really choppy and a very tight range. I definitely did not get a chance to trade at all. Like I as much as I wanted to, I did not get a chance because the market wouldn't freaking move, right? I mean, today was a classic example that midday this is all you did. I mean, how would you be able to trade this? I mean, yeah, it kind of it sounds easy. Okay, well, I'm gonna short this here, I'm gonna short this here, and then I'm gonna long here, short it here, go long here. But it's not easy, right? When you're actually you know, during the intraday, it's not gonna be easy. You're looking at this and kind of going, okay, well, it's hard to trade this 70 points range. It's tough. It's tough. But anyways, I mean, I'll try my level best and try to look for a much stronger month of March. Yeah, I mean, one of my goal is, well, not one of my goal, one of my what do you call this? It's not a goal, but I mean, I forgot the name, but my trading journey is about consistency, right? It's not about making, you know, a hero payouts. It's all about consistency, right? So I don't want to blow 30 accounts in a single day or 20 accounts in a single day, or I don't want to have $50,000 of payout on a few accounts. And that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for consistency, right? Especially with the funded accounts. So, and so far, I think for the last 8 to 10 months, I think I've been pretty consistent, if you will, right? I've been consistently taking on an average about 30,000, right? So I think that's a pretty good deal. All I really have to do is, on a worse month, let's not, you know, let's not make it a huge damage, right? That's if I can manage and kind of like control my damage, I think that's good. And I think this month is that kind of a month, and actually including January as well. All right, looks weak, guys. I mean, it looks weak. I'm not liking this price action. So far, it's been lower high, and I've been trying to short this. I mean, I've been trying to go long this. Very annoying, guys. We had this big pump here. I got chopped on that, and exactly when I got stopped out, well, not stopped out, I exited my trade, it ended up getting a pullback. Really annoying. Luckily I've done that on an account that not as important as my other ones that I have. So is New York your best session? I mean, I'm all right across the board. I think it doesn't really matter. I could be worse. It could be worse in New York too. I think I'm a lot more patient in the mornings though. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Sometimes I'm really good at trading Globex, but the thing is, there's clear, you know, there's clear distinction between Globex and New York. For me, from my perspective, right? There's only so much I can make in Globex, right? So even though I get into a lot of good trades, you know, my profits are very marginal, right, compared to the New York. That's the big difference, right? Other than that, the win rates and all that, I think maybe New York is slightly higher, but I mean overall, it's easier for traders like me to trade in New York because I'm like, you know, I'm not specifically a momentum trader, but I love and I enjoy trading momentum, right? So the price action momentum trades, I love trading that, right? So and look for that quick micro scalp within those momentum push is what I'm really looking for. Obviously within that you know, clear trending move. Yeah, I tend to do a little more YOLO, if you will, during Globex though, because obviously we're not seeing patterns during Globex, right? So anyways, guys, we are back here again. Yeah, no, I don't use AI. No, I don't. No. If you're micro scalping, I don't know if that's really needed. You don't need AI support. I don't know. I don't ever use AI. All right, guys, I think we've got a new hour, right? In about 4 minutes. Supposed to be Shanghai, but Shanghai obviously is closed. So the market's kind of chopping here in this range, a very tight range. And you know, we should go ahead and do, I mean, how many likes do we have? 255. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if you guys want to show some love, I really appreciate it, guys. If you guys could take a few seconds of your time to smoke the like never before, will be really amazing. And I thank you guys once again for doing that. And also our Take Profit Trader, if you are new here, you guys can go ahead and type in exclamation tiger, obviously to give yourself a chance to participate. And this giveaway is in celebration of our 10,000 subscribers, right? And I still have this banner on there. Yeah, I'll probably end up celebrating this for another week. It's a big deal, you know what I mean? It's a big deal, and I tell you why it's a bigger deal for me, because I don't know if you guys remember, but last year in the month of May, I had an issue with YouTube. Without going into too much details, I had an issue with YouTube, and then of course that really what I would say a big sort of a you know, a fallback, right? So I had to find a way to kind of get it back again, and yeah, so it was a lot of problems. By now, maybe I should have been setback. Yeah, exactly, setback. Yeah. So by now, maybe I would have been, I don't know, 15, 20 subs maybe, but so that's why this 10,000 subscriber is definitely truly meaningful. And of course, without you guys support, this would have never been possible. So again, once again, man, I really appreciate everybody for all your support to the channel, right? So I think the market's gonna maybe get a little bounce here. I mean, you know, it almost kind of feels like, yeah, the market may try to get a bounce, but we may chop here. It's no trending right now. It's just a very tight range bound so far. I thought we get a further continuation of a pullback here from 917, but we ended up getting a bounce off that little trend line support that we have. So let's see, guys. I mean, we are in that, obviously in that triangle now. So something's gonna break. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't want to try to increase your position size trading this price action right here, right now, right? I mean, maybe I should have, what I should have done right at the start is to try to go with fewer contracts and kind of try to test the water, but I kind of oversized, which obviously was part of the game plan. I was looking for that a quick pullback so I can kind of try to grab a big chunk of the profits. But of course, we never really had any kind of a dump. We just went straight up right at the start, guys, straight up with no pullback at all, right? It obviously ended up getting a nasty pullback, but guys, man, look at this bounce that we're getting right now, man. I don't know. It's getting a bounce right now, guys. It's getting a bounce. Wow, look at this bounce. And now again, if I try to long here, oh my god, look at that, guys.
Order working.
All right, guys, I place my limit order 1 right at the VWAP here. Actually, you know what? Fuck me, man. It did not get filled.
Order cancel.
Oh, that did not get filled, unfortunately. Yeah, this moves, this candle moves that we are getting right now is very erratic. Yeah, we just actually broke out of this. Yeah, I was looking to long that bad boy. I don't know what happened. I had it right at the VWAP, but did not get filled. Yeah, I'm trading with I'm trading listed accounts, of course. I have some on the 25Ks, by the way. I'm trying to trade the 25Ks. So I've got one funded account with Funded Futures Network. I've got two funded accounts with FIDIAS. Right, I've got 3 funded accounts with TopStep. 1 Billanox that's not activated, but it's there. I'm just kind of trying to scratching my head right now with Billanox, trying to see if I really have to activate that account. I'm not sure. So, and the listed, I've got 5. With 35, I've got 2. Take Profit Trader, I've got 4, and I've got extra 4 accounts with Take Profit Trader. That's pretty much passed. I'm just kind of waiting. So I will have, at some point, I'll have, maybe in a day or two, I would have 5 Take Profit Trader funded accounts to start, and then maybe a few as a backup. Kind of sit. Yeah. So yeah, Apex, I've got 13 accounts right now. So give or take, I've got about 30 somewhat accounts. I think 30. I can't do the math. I think maybe about 30 something, 33 to 35, maybe somewhere on there. But right now, it's not about how many accounts I have, to be honest. My goal right now is to really try to see if I can actually build a buffer, right? Yeah, it's what do you call this? It's the 50K account. Yeah, that's what I have on the top step. Yeah, 50K. Yeah, so Nashi, you have to request the payout first, and then that's gonna pop on a wallet once it gets approved, right? So for now, oh man, look at this bullish move, guys. I don't know, man. I kind of missed the whole move, guys. Maybe I'm better off just not getting to any trades for tonight. You know what I mean? I missed out. I got into the wrong trades at the wrong time, and on the right trades, I got out too early. Very bad examples of the way I'm kind of trading here today. So, but at least it's good to be doing that, right, on an account that's not as important. So, I mean, not that this isn't any, you know, this is equally as important, but I mean, you know, it's, but at least it's not a funded account. And I still have $2,400 to draw down, so I can kind of build it back again. I just don't want to keep trading this account and end up getting into a situation I have less drawdown every single time I get into trades. You're lost trying to understand it because it seemed like they're used to a total, not sure what you mean, 20 or 20, 200 EMA cross, yeah. Yeah, it looks bullish, guys, man. It looks bullish. I think we're gonna try to retest $25,000. I think that's what it is, man. Look at this. Clearly we found the bottom. Yeah, I'm trading one account, and I trade one account at a time. I don't put multiple orders as well, so I do that time to time. Very rarely, though. When I say I'm not copy trading, you know, I'm trading one account at a time. So until I close my one trade, or so one account, then I'm in a trade. I would not get into my second trade usually, but I do sometimes, though. Sometimes, but it's very rare. Probably 70-80% of the time I'll just trade one account and then I close that trade and then move on to the second account. And if I kind of miss out on trading the rest of the accounts, I'll just, so be it, you know. Like, that's exactly what happened the last few days. I mean, like, I think there's probably about 20 accounts that I wasn't trading, and I just kept flipping those accounts just to count as a day. But you know, you're gonna get denied if you keep flipping your accounts, right? When you say flipping, it's like getting in and out instantly, in and out instantly, right? So but yeah, I mean, at least I'm grateful so far that I still have over 30 accounts, right? That I can kind of continue to trade, right? And you know, it's just that I don't have enough buffer, if you will, to consistently just keep taking payouts every single, well, not every single day, but I mean every few days. That's the only problem that I'm going through right now versus a month ago. Like, when I started this trading 30-40 days ago, I probably had just a few more accounts than what I have now, but a lot of those accounts were over buffer, right? A lot of those accounts were over buffer. I had probably about 27 accounts I had over buffer, and I ended up getting destroyed towards the end of January thanks to trading silver. Incredible. Yeah, they're really wrecked by momentum, if you will. I don't even want to look at silver anymore. I may be loading in some trade day accounts. Trade day accounts are fairly cheap on a trailing drawdown account, right? So I think it's about $60-$70 on a 50K account with the trade day. But it's got to be the trailing drawdown accounts, and I'm quite familiar trading the trade day. I mean, not trade day, but I mean trailing drawdown accounts. So I'm not really too concerned with trailing. I'm okay to trade that account and pay like $30-$40 less versus the end of day, right? I'm totally okay with that. Yeah. Yeah, silver, guys, man. I mean, silver, I got destroyed trading silver. And I've been saying this many times over and over again, but I lost a lot of accounts. that I had a lot of profits. Like, you know, even if you have $10,000 of profit on your account, if you trade one mini silver, you end up blowing that account in like a minute or two if you're on the wrong side. And even if you're on the right side, right, you could end up blowing that account. It's just one push on a candle that's gonna wreck your account. Are these accounts time sensitive? What do you mean? Like this eval that I have here? No, I mean I should be okay if I pass this account in a month. I've had it for about a week, so I still have like 2 more weeks to go, and that's why I've been a little more aggressive trading this account, because I wanted to either pass or smash, if you will. But of course I don't want to smash. I want to pass as much as I can. A few days ago I lost a few eval accounts on my Tradify, and that was 150k accounts as well, so a little annoyed at that too, but I mean it's just part of the process. All right. Oh. What a nice little push, guys. I mean, this is a pretty good push. We're obviously hitting that $25,000 again, guys, man. Yeah, JJ. The market has been tough. Yes. It looks easy. You know, it looks easy, but it's not. I mean, it's not easy. Especially if you're trading with 1 mini contracts, and that's what I've been doing. I've been trading with 1 mini contracts. I start the day trading with a few micro, and then I get I don't know, man. I don't know, maybe I get high, and then it's like all of a sudden I'm with 1 mini contract. And sometimes I'm with 2 mini contracts all of a sudden. All of a sudden you're like with 2 mini contracts. Where the hell does 2 mini contracts come from, StockTiger? I don't even know sometimes, guys, man. This market is so wild. It's like I started off with 3 micro, and then all of a sudden I'm with 10. How the hell does that work? Sometimes I get confused. I'm like, I'm with 12 micro contracts. Okay, how did I end up with 12 micro contracts on this freaking account? And then I'm like, you're like, as soon as you have like a couple of you're like down about a couple $1,000s. Okay, all right, yeah, just a very casual couple $1,000s down. That's fine. Yeah. And one more and then you're like, your account's blown. Boop, it's gone. All right, have a nice day. All right, guys, man, show some love, guys. Smash a like never before. Smack it like, you know, boom. Let's go, baby. You guys want to show some love? Let's go, everybody. All right, by the way, man, if you are new here, just make sure to type in !Tiger if you guys want to be part of the giveaway. We got Take Profit Trader here, 50k, and of course we're doing this giveaway in celebration of a $10,000 again, StockTiger. You just can't change. It's not $10,000. It's 10,000 subscribers. $10,000 subscribers, guys, my fellow traders. It's all thanks to you guys. Without you guys, this would have never been possible. And that's why we've got to give away. We got to celebrate this together. We are in this together, everybody. We want peace. Iran wants to make a peace. I think they really want to. Alright, guys, man, I want to know what the hell is Mike trying to do, guys. We are getting pretty close to 25. That's all I know. Let's see if we gotta break through this $25,000, guys. gonna be a big deal. Yeah, I mean, yeah, man, what a nasty, dirty price action here. Globex Asia, it continues right into the Globex, guys, tonight. Incredible. Oh, dude, 45, that's right, you said you're long. Wow, man, incredible. I'm a little annoyed, yeah. A little annoyed, guys. Missed out here, missed out there, get chopped, and I don't know. A very sad moment. Chopped here, chopped there. I was definitely expecting a little bit of a channel range today. Globex, right? I mean, I wasn't expecting this kind of a wild moves. And we are getting a wild moves here, by the way. We are getting a 90 points range. Wild moves in Globex Asia. I wasn't expecting this kind of moves, right? So, and that's why I kind of miscalculated the moves that we are getting here today. This is way better price action than we had this morning. I mean, of course, other than that big pump we had early in the day, but that's fine, you know. We'll get it back. We'll get it back, absolutely. The greed taking over, dude 45 with no hair. All right, guys, man, we are getting pretty close to $25,000 here, guys. Pop trader, poo trader, pop trader. How many? I think with trade day, how many accounts can you actually have? How many funded accounts can you have now? 5 accounts, right? I don't think it's more than that. Six? I thought it was 5. Just keep in mind, guys, Apex 90% off right now. It's ongoing until next week. And Take Profit Trader 40% off right now. Ongoing. Listed 40% off as well. Ongoing. Scary, guys, man, scary. Look at this. Scary mochaccino. All right, looks like we get a little pullback here down into man, that's really scary though. Hey, I'm yeah, I gotta take a picture of this, by the way. Actually, you know what? I kind of noticed I look better without a hair. I'm gonna have to work on something big pretty soon here, guys. Yo, what kind of a press action is this, guys, man? Up, down, up, down. Oh, my dear. Take profit trader eval is end of day, and once you get to the pro account, it's trailing drawdown with daily payout. Nothing much. Yeah, what a price action here, guys, man. Incredible. So, where is this market gonna go, guys? Guys, once again, I've got to go to the washroom. I'll be right back. I'm not able to read this market properly today. Oh my dear, what is up with this, guys? I'm not able to read this properly.
Order working. Right,
I'm gonna try to show the pop here, guys. We'll see now. I'm getting a little annoyed. Looks like it's gonna range. Could be, yeah. Maybe the big moves are maybe said and done now. Oh God. I try to short by placing limit orders between 975 to 988. So I'm looking for something like this, and then that kind of fades and give us that pullback down.
Order cancelled.
All right, I canceled the order. I've canceled the order. I canceled the order. I'm just kind of waiting right now. Yeah, not sure, man. Not sure, guys. Not sure. No conviction so far. So we have Russian what again? Russian military vessel in Iran. That's no good. That's not good for this overall market, guys. That's not good. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. I don't know how that's going to change the sentiment. It's gonna be wild. And the market obviously it's pretty big swings, by the way, man. It's a 90 points range. I definitely was not expecting this sort of a big wide range that we're getting right now. And that's probably the reason I kept getting chopped out. Not sure. Yeah, so far it's kind of dead, not moving at all. 962 right here. We obviously got a very we got rejection of that 25. Seems to be a big level to try to crack. I don't know, 3 attempts. We had 3 attempts. We just couldn't get above that now. 3 attempts and we couldn't get above. So I wonder where this is gonna go now. I'm curious. Yeah, I mean, if we end up getting a pullback, that's gonna be a pretty big, wild pullback, right? This could be another setting up for another leg to the downside. We had a big, obviously, dump right towards the end of the day, and this almost kind of feels like we may be looking for another leg. That's gonna be like, you know, we had the first leg here, and that was right here. We may be getting something like that here now. Right, let's take a look from here. We got one big leg. We may be getting something like that here again. So, I mean, we... $9.26. Yeah, so if we get a rejection here again and we end up pulling back into the 20s, we have a good chance of this thing pulling back pretty hard, right? So we either have to get above the 25k, or yeah, 25k above. I think we probably end up going higher overnight, and that's gonna look like something like this. Something like that, right? Something like this. So yeah, so we got to get over 25. Oh, thank you, Pine Tree Trader in the house. Thank you so much for the donation. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I hope you're doing well. A big shout out to Pine Tree Trader, guys. No, you didn't win anything yet. Not yet. Right, so what is this gonna be? Not sure. All right. I think this could probably just end up chopping here in this range, right? So once again, thank you to Pine Tree Trader for your support to the stream. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day as well. I am going to have to maybe just I don't know, man. This is, yeah, I think it's just gonna chop around in this range, guys. I mean, I don't really see anything here at the moment. You know, I had a chance to get into a lot of good trades earlier on. If I knew this market's gonna be this volatile, you know, maybe I could have done a better job. I kind of expected this market to be what it is now earlier on, right? So I kind of got squeezed. It's a little bit of a problem. Anyways, I think this is it. The market is not moving at all right now, so we'll just let it do its thing for now, see what happens, and then in the meanwhile, guys, we gotta go ahead and do our giveaways too, right? So again, this giveaway is obviously in a celebration of our 10k subscribers, and thank you guys to all of you for your support to the channel. Do not forget to smash the like, guys, if you can. If you guys want to show some love, we will go ahead and do our giveaway now, guys. I'm just gonna set it up. I'm gonna close the entries as well, so if you haven't done so, type in exclamation tag now, because I will be closing the entries now in about a minute, maybe less than that. And again, show some love, smash the like, guys, if you can. We got a little less than 300 likes at the moment, with over 460 giveaway tickets. Please take a few seconds of your time if you guys want to show some love. I really appreciate it, guys. Let's get it done right now. Thank you. Mucho gracias, my fellow traders in the house. I am not getting into any trades right now because this market is really choppy, right? It's just not giving us a chance to get into any meaningful trades. So I'm just gonna let this market do its thing for now, and our focus and our attention is back into the giveaway, guys. Fellow traders, I thank you guys for being here. Yeah, we've consistently got over 500 viewers. I mean, I thank you guys obviously for being here throughout the entire night, and even in the mornings too, guys. Even in the mornings, you know, So much love in the mornings as well. You know, every time I go live during the New York session, you know. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this entry now. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner, and of course, you've got 1 minute, of course, to confirm that you are here with us. So just make sure you are here to claim. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. All right, the winner goes to StockTiger. StockTiger, are you here? Are you here, StockTiger? You got 1 minute to confirm. And that was a joke. The winner goes to, the real winner goes to Tony Lennis. Tony Lennis. You've got 2 seconds to confirm. Tony Lennis. Oh, Tony Lennis is here, guys. Uh-oh. Congrats, Tony Lennis. Tony is here, everybody. There we go, guys. We found a winner. And Mr. Tony has confirmed. So, Tony, I'm going to have you DM me. Send me a friend request as well, so I can go ahead and take care of your account. Lennes, ¿cómo estás? All right, guys. I mean, that's it, I guess. Oh, shoot, guys. We are getting a pullback here. Yeah. Forget it, guys. I'm not going to trade anymore. I already got annoyed. I already got, like, chopped, I think, 3 or 4 times this, during this Globex ASIA. Oh, my God. All right, fellow traders. This is it, guys. Of course, got a little late, but I had a lot of fun here, guys. And I thank you guys for being here with us every single night. I'm going to have to see you guys back tomorrow at 5:30 Eastern Time. Back again. Love to see you guys. I'm going to try my level best to be on a winning side, of course, tomorrow. We'll try our level best. Thank you, everybody, for being here tonight. It was a lot of fun. Have a great rest of the night. Be careful tomorrow, guys. I want you guys to be careful tomorrow morning. New York, it's wild. It's wild. Anyways, thank you guys, all of you. Thank you so much, love. We'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex. Until then, everybody have a great rest of the night. Thank you. Love you guys. Take care and peace. Gracias, amigos. Cheers, everybody. Take care. Bye. See ya, amigos.